Hi people, welcome to Tots and Moms. I'm Kavita and today I'll show you 4 khichdi recipes for babies and kids. Khichdi is one of the easily digestible food and nutritious food which can be given to babies. It makes a great simple recipe as well, which is easy to be made. So let's dive right in and see what are the 4 recipes which I am going to show you today. The number 1 recipe is instant Moong Dal Khichdi mix. This is great for travel purposes. I'll show you how to use it when you are on your travel. So let's begin with the recipe first. In a bowl, I'm taking rice. Parboiled rice is great for babies because it's easily digestible when compared to other versions of rice. Rinse it and immediately strain it with the help of a strainer like this, and then transfer it to a pan. You can see that while you are roasting, the moisture is no more now. Keep roasting it on medium flame. And when you see that the color of the rice has changed and some of them have popped out, that time you can take it out from the stove and keep it aside in a plate. Now I am taking yellow lentil or moong dal. I'll rinse this. And again follow the same method, strain it immediately and transfer it to the same pan to dry roast. Keep roasting it, don't allow it to brown too much. So this is now ready. We will just add little spices which we add regularly for our khichdi. Cumin and little pepper. The measurement of all the ingredients would be on our blog and even in the description box, you can check that out. Once it's completely cooled down, transfer it to a blender jar. Close it and blend it smooth. You can see the powder is all ready. This is instant khichdi mix which can be stored and used whenever you want to travel, or even at home when you want to serve something immediately to your baby and you weren't able to cook. Considering you being a new mom, you can do this as well. So in a bowl I have added instant khichdi mix followed by piping hot water, which is must. You have to keep mixing it to ensure that no lumps are formed. So our instant khichdi mix is all ready to be served. This can be given to a 6 month plus baby. Our second khichdi is Dalia Khichdi with Moong Dal. I have used broken wheat here. So let's see how to make this. In a pressure pan, I am adding ghee, clarified butter. I'm taking few chopped vegetables. You can customize this as per your liking or baby's need. I've added some peas, beans chopped and carrot as well. Now I'm adding Daliya and Moong Dal. I've rinsed both of them and then immediately adding in here. Cumin, pepper and turmeric are the masala or spices I'm adding in. Add water. Salt is not required for babies, so if you are making it for toddlers or kids or yourself, you can add that. We will cover this with a lid and cook it for about 3 whistles. If you have soaked broken wheat or daliya for a while, then this would take lesser time comparatively. You can even make this in pan. If you have soaked it, it will cook quicker. So this is ready, our Jhatpat Dalia Moong Dal Khichdi. Dalia Khichdi is all ready to be served. We will now move ahead to our third recipe, which is curd oats khichdi. This can be given to 8 months and above babies. I'm adding ghee in a bowl or pan, followed by some mustard seeds, cumin or jeera, and some curry leaves. I'm adding grated carrot. Mix well and cook this for about 2 minutes. You can even add a carrot puree if you are willing not to give textures yet and worried about it. Now I'm adding oats here. You just have to mix it for about 2 minutes. 1 cup of water. The measurement of all this is given in the description box. Please have a look. This is the easiest of all the khichdi and quickest as well. So keep mixing it, and once ready it will look something like this. Cool this mixture and add curd to this. Mix it and it is ready to be served. Curd Oats Khichdi makes a great breakfast recipe option for you as well. It's a great weight loss recipe as well. So curd Oats Khichdi. The next one is Barley Moong Khichdi. In a pressure pan, I'm adding butter, followed by some curry leaves, I'm adding barley now. I have soaked this for about 4 hours. This is very important. If not, it will not get cooked. You may have to cook it for about 8 to 10 whistles. Even then it will not get cooked. So soaking barley is the very important step. Then I've added some moong dal. You can add any lentil, red lentil or masoor dal serves great for babies as well. I'm adding turmeric powder, black pepper powder, cumin powder. You can add or take out any spice which you don't want to serve your baby yet, but it is good to start on spices as early as possible because you would really want your baby to get adjusted to normal family food after 1 year. I'm adding water now. This is good to be cooked in pressure cooker only, otherwise in pan it would take a lot of time. 3 whistles on the pressure cooker, and once the air is released you can serve it to the baby warm. Add loads and loads of ghee for your baby. It is very good and it helps them in weight gain. This you can serve as puree, you can mash it or blend it and serve, but I would not suggest that. Textures are always good. After 8 months your baby can handle those textures, so don't worry if your baby will not be able to eat, baby would not like or not, I mean there's no worry about it. So Barley Moong Khichdi is ready. This is our 4th khichdi. So thank you for watching this video till now. We'll keep coming up with a lot of recipes like this, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Bye bye.